Mr. Deputy Speaker, question Lomi, inogat toksabe, mi lagas kimigolo Prime Minister, also acting Treasurer. Prime Minister, you're very well aware of the hardships faced by our people due to the cost of living crisis. Now, I just wanted to demonstrate that in 2019, when we came into government and when you were installed as Prime Minister, Papua New Guineans, the lowest income earners, were earning 3 kina 50 an hour, and that equates to 28 kina per day. Even now, 5 years later, our lowest income earners are making 28 kina per day. This tin of fish, which most Papua New Guineans eat every day, low-income earners, used to cost 5 kina 50 in 2019. This morning, it's 7 kina 50 in Port Moresby. In other parts of the country, it's more than 7 kina 50. This packet of rice used to cost 4 kina 50. Today, it's 6 kina in Port Moresby, and in other parts of Papua New Guinea, in Isipik, it's up around 7 kina. This packet of noodles used to be 80 toya. It's now 1 kina 20. Some parts, it's a kina 50. This packet of biscuits used to be 80 toya. It's now 1 kina 20 in Port Moresby. This constitutes what most Papua New Guineans eat at dinner time. If you add this up, if they have 2 meals a day, it's already more than the 28 kina that the low-income Papua New Guineans, our people, are making. All market mama, all is a sidan oga day lo table market lol, just to get enough money to buy these very basic items. My questions are as follows. Number one, what fiscal initiatives has the government undertaken in the last 5 years to make these items affordable for our people? What initiatives you play in Kisimpinis land? If not, what new initiatives do you have that will make these items affordable? Lol mama blo yumi sa hatok lo table market every day, nolin up lo baim na fidim ol pingini blol. Our future. If you have no immediate plans, or if you do have plans, could you tell our hard-working mothers sitting on the table market when you expect, is it end of this year, next year, or the year after, when do you expect that these items will be affordable for our hard-working mothers and our low-income earners? Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.